10th year wedding anniversary bukas. So, mag-road trip kami. We're close. 30 minutes more. Wow! Look at that! It's so cute. It looks peaceful in here. Right? Ito yung CR ni guys. Ay! Kita yung isda! Ang dami! Hello guys! Here we are again. Ayos na naman ang lola mo. We are going. Lalarga kami ni Kuya Ronnie. It is our 10th year wedding anniversary bukas. So, mag-road trip kami to Gotland. Göteborg. It's close to Göteborg. Strömstad ang pangalan. It's ayun na si Kuya Ronnie. I can bring that. Should I lock or do you want to
Lock?
the door?
You need to lock the door.
Should I? I'm asking you, should I lock or you're gonna lock?
I don't.
Okay.
Why? So you bring the key or not?
Yeah, I don't want to bring the key.
Don't.
I'll wait till then. Yes. 6-hour drive siya from here sa Stockholm. Kulit-kulutan na lola. Naisip ko lang. 6 hours kasi mahilig ako sa road trips. Although ayaw ni Ronnie, but Russian choice kasi yun ang bet ko. Yes, it's gonna be exciting kasi guys. First time namin na, sorry may kukunin ako. Magka-glamping! Yes! Glamorous camping. Diba? So, medyo pricey siya pero feeling ko worth it naman siya. Tapos bibisitahin namin yung island. Magbabike kami. Kung anik-anik ang gagawin namin. But yeah. And it's magluluto kami mamayang gabi doon. Para ma-experience naman namin. Si Ronnie kasi gusto niya easy lang. Pagka lalabas, pag magta-travel kami, gusto niya kakain sa labas para easy access. Sabi ko, gusto kong i-experience yung glamping. So, magluluto kami doon. Kasi meron siyang outside plaza. Outside na pwede magluto, pwede kang tumambay. And yeah, ready na si Ronnie. Actually, nandun niya ako. Kunin ko lang tong field para pag tumambay kami sa labas. Meron ako. Malamig na kasi sa gabi. So yeah, let's go! Samahan niyo kami! Close. 30 minutes more. And look at the view. Behind Papa. No, behind. Side. Side view. It's so nice. Nakatulog ako. Mga isang oras. Kulang-kulang. Isang oras. Simula ng bonggang-bongga. Ngayon lang nag-stop. And ang nakikita nyo na lang ay mga puno-puno. Yes, ang ganda. Ang ganda din. Ay, so nice. I hope it's not raining when we get there. Kumain lang kami ng lunch kanina sa Burger King. natutulog, syempre si Ron hindi. Tak, Papa. Andito na kami, guys. And here is the glamping. Oh, look at that. Papa, it's so cute. There you go. Ang cute. Pwede kaming magluto doon. Tapos meron din dito, pwedeng mag-barbecue. Tapos eto na. Ang tagal naman ng aking boss. Sana hindi malamig kasi umulan. It's nice, right? I thought we're gonna be over, like, top of it. I guess not.
They don't have anything there, so I guess this is.
Yeah, I think so. Open? You left the key.
Yeah.
Bubuksan na ni Kuya. Where's the bathroom, Papa?
We drove past.
We did. That one. Okay. Ooh, look at that. I think you're gonna like it because it's small.
Cute.
Is it? Wow, look at that. It's so cute. It's surprisingly, it's big. It's not small. See, we have our towel.
We make our bed ourselves, I guess.
Yeah. That's cute. Look at that. Nice. It's very cute. How can you open the light? This. Here. I was like, where's the heater? We're gonna be cold later. Here.
Have to connect it somewhere.
Wow, it's sunny in Blide.
Lucky bleed.
Cute. You like it, Papa?
I don't know where to connect it.
There's in there.
Yeah, but it's not far enough.
It should have.
There must be
You have to remove that because it's long.
Yeah, but
It
it should be somewhere.
It should be somewhere, yeah. Here. There's on the side in there as well. So here you go, guys. A very cute glamping place.
Eat now.
Yes. So gagawin namin yung bedsheet. Ito yung bedsheet at saka towel. Hindi na kami nagdala. Yes! So cute! Lumabas yung araw, guys. Pero umuambon pa din. Check namin yung CR. Ayun, nandun yung CR. I-check namin. Ang kupit ng bahay, oh. Ayan. Camping yan. Mga parang... They are renting this camping van, right? It's not theirs. Because it looks like it's built in there. Right?
The van is theirs, but the house isn't.
What do you mean?
Like the grey house?
Yeah?
That's always there.
Okay.
But the one that you put behind the car, that's there.
Okay.
Oh, let's go up there.
This is the one I want.
one.
Yes. Why didn't we go this one?
Well, we didn't choose.
We didn't. Okay. It costs it if you choose. Right?
Yes.
Okay. I understand. It's nice in this one. I don't think someone is there. Can we move? It looks peaceful in here. Right?
Are we gonna swim out there?
Where?
They have a Rutschkana place.
No, it's cold. Ilang lang peraso yung kanilang pang-glamping. Actually, wala pang 10. Let's go sa CR. Ito yung CR nila, guys. Pwedeng maligo. Ito ang common kitchen, I think. Dito pwedeng hugas ng pinagkainan. May mga gamit na kami dun sa glamping place. Dito lang maghuhugas. May lutuan na din, so nice. Everything is about camping here. And nandun kami. What is this? Yeah, you can cook, you can micro. Yeah, you can cook actually. Punta kami sa store, huh? What are you pointing?
Up on the
Aha, that one. Yeah, that's nice.
How did I get them up?
Pupunta kami sa store, guys. Tignan namin kung anong mga pwede namin bilhin. Ah, there. It's nice in here, guys. Meron silang man-made beach. Lagyan lang nila ng buhangin. Tapos all of that is for camping, and nandun kami. Dun. Camping sila lahat. These are made for campers lang. Which is really cool. So nice. And ang harapan mo is water. Tapos yun na yung main road nila. Nag-ikot lang kami ni Ronnie kung anong meron sa paligid-ligid. Ngayon magluluto na kami ng dinner. Nagdala kami ng tacos. Taco for dinner. Tapos may game akong gagawin. Maglalaro kami nila. So mag-wine lang kami. This is nice. Saan ito pupunta? Uy! Where are you going? Aha. Kahit umulan, hindi naman siya yung malamig na malamig. Kaya nakasinelas lang kami. Gusto niyan tumalon. Mag-swimming daw kami kahit malamig. Can you touch the water? How cold it is? Is it cold?
Not so bad.
That's for sure. Here's the view. Ayan na siya. Super cute. Ay, nauga. Ito na guys yung last trip namin this year. Oh my God, this is nice. This year, wala na. Tapos na. Wala na kaming pera. Wait lang. Ay, kita niyo isda. Ang dami. Oh my God. Maliliit na isda. Ayun. Katuwa. Nakuha si Ronnie ng tubig. Tapos ito pala yung supply dito. Nandito lahat. May gasol. Pwede kami magluto. Magluto kami mamaya. Ayun, pang popcorn. Tapos, ito yung mga gamit panluto. May tissue. Tapos, meron silang fridge. Ayun yung mga gamit ng kain. Lagay ko dito yung wine. Kompleto naman siya, in fairness. Super cute. Dumadating na yung mga tao. Kanina wala pa eh. So, ito yung view. May kapitbahay na kami. Wala pa sila kanina eh. Ngayon nandito na sila. There you go. Yeah. That's nice.
Stor stekpanna.
Huh?
Is this the stekpanna?
Yeah.
Like the wok?
Oh, you're gonna cook in there.
That's crazy.
It's big. It doesn't matter.
Yes, so.
We can fire later in there. Right?
Vi don't have a tändare.
Yeah, there is. I saw it. There.
Matches.
Shall we go in?
Yes.
I mean, we don't have to lock it because there is close.
You wanna put our stuff in?
I wanna put the wine. Lagyan natin ito. Susi. Nakasusi lahat, guys. Kapadlock. Yeah. Let's go. The wine is here. Wait lang.
Cool. Yeah, some of those will be nice.
Higher. I will. Nag-rent kami ng bike. Ikukunin na namin ngayon dun sa reception. Andito na kami, guys. Nag-take kami. Look at the view. Ready kasi meron kami dinner. Yes, it has been a very nice weekend, relaxing.